you guys even see me? It's so bright out, I can't even see myself because of the sunglasses. But I'm going to IMATS right now. I am late. Not late, but it's like almost 1 o'clock and started at 10. I don't really have anything much to buy, so I'm just going for a couple hours. We'll see what happens. I might add a haul at the end of this video. You know, I started off the vlog talking and then I never actually ended it because my feet started hurting and I wasn't even going home. I was going to my sister's house and then I was going home. Well, now I just got home. Now it's 12:11. Yeah. So, I don't know if I think I said it before, like, I didn't get to IMATS until like 3 o'clock and it started at, I think, about 10. I spent the morning in bed. I was just exhausted from like work. I wasn't off until I wasn't off since last week Wednesday. So I worked the whole week straight up until today, and today's Saturday. So I was exhausted. My schedule was crazy, and I spent the morning trying to get a pair of sneakers online, which was actually very successful. So yeah, by the time I got ready, I should have got ready and just waited for the sneakers to drop and then got them and went, but no, I was tired, okay? I was lazy. But anyway, I think I'm gonna haul the stuff I bought real quick. That way I can get this video up. It'll be like a 2-for-1 because I didn't get a ton of stuff. So I'm gonna show you what the bag that they give us, like, you know how you get a bag at IMATS just without buying anything, just for walking in the door. So this time it's more of like a canvas bag, and it says Kat Von D, Hearts IMATS. Kat Von D I think last year and this year, Kat Von D has been the sponsor for IMATS. Well, one of the big sponsors, so she had one of the biggest booths. I didn't buy anything from Kat Von D because, I mean, she has new products, so I don't know if I can talk about them now. I think, can I talk about them? I think you guys have seen them by now because we had a training and we weren't allowed to show the products or talk about them. So, but even though they're out, I'm not sure if I can still talk about them yet. I think I should be able to. So it's a nice, you know, Kat Von D lipstick on the back. Pretty sure, I don't know if I'll use this one. Then, so the first booth I went to was Anastasia. Didn't get much from there either, just because I can get it at work. I didn't want to go through the trouble. Like, I got a lipstick at Anastasia that we never got in store. I think Tulip. I showed that in my last haul, but this is not what I asked for. Whatever. I wanted the Brow Wiz in dark brown. And the brow pomade in chocolates, but they gave me the brow wiz in chocolate and the brow wiz in chocolate. It's fine, I can use both, but I prefer dark brown, but it's fine. So that's the first two products that I picked up. So that was in that first bag. So then the first bag I actually did go to was Jouer. Aww. The bag, I had this bag inside another bag and it got messed up. Another bag. Yeah, the bag is messed up too. So I guess I won't be keeping this bag, but I got the Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation with Hyaluronic Acid, Tripeptide Complex, Matte and Oil Free. This is a really big box. Let me show you how small the box is. Praline. I hope. Like, I didn't check any of the products that I got. I assumed that they were giving me the right ones. So. This is supposed to be number 30. See, when we were looking at them, I'm going to show you guys. I should have shown the clip of all the foundations. They were numbered, where right now it's named and not numbered. So I hope she gave me the right color. It looks to be the right color. So this is Praline. It should have been number 39 because I was stuck between number 37 and 39, I believe. 38 was dark. I think that must have been the undertone. So 39 had the same undertone as number 37, but just a little darker. Or 39 was, but 38 was just too dark for me. Yeah, look at this, all this big packaging for this small little plug. Jouer, what are you doing? Why is it? I mean, it's nice packaging, but it's just a bit much for a small little bottle. But yeah. It looks like a stilo pack. Then I also got, since it was only $10, I got the brush. The Essential Precision Foundation Brush, Antimicrobial Custom Tear Draft Straight, cruelty free, so it looks like on the back. So it's in here like this. I've never had a brush like this. Mind you, this handle is plastic. And then I went to Moda, or Royal and Langnickel, and I finally got this. I've been wanting this for like some time now. And they had the big brush by itself, which is what I really wanted for 10. This whole set is 20, and I was gonna buy a powder brush anyway. Mind you, this doesn't have a powder brush in it, so I really didn't get what I wanted. But I think I need more blending brushes. But none of this is for your eyes. The smallest brush is for applying concealer though. These are all really face brushes. You can never have enough face brushes, but I don't know. I might just keep this for display. They're so pretty. Yes, that's that. Then I went to Sigma. And I got two things. I got the Sigmagic shampoo. The liquid brush cleanser, not the foaming, because the liquid is good for like, well, I know the foam, it said the foam was good for lighter products, lighter foundation products, and so I was sticking with that. Oh, and it comes with a little pack of it in the bag. And then I also got the Sigma Dry and Shape Spa. So it's like, it looks like that. So you can dry your brush instead of me having to constantly have. So I can dry my brushes without having to constantly have a towel laid out for it. Like this could just have it standing up, so it takes up less space. And this was 20, this was 11, so it wasn't bad. What's this? You get a free E47 shader brush. I know Sigma always gives away brushes in their bags, but this is my first time going to all of these booths except for Anastasia. I wanted to get something from Makeup Forever, but then when I got there, they said you only get 20% off. I get 20% off at work, so why would I? Dose of Colors wasn't there this year, which made me sad because I really wanted to get a lot of stuff from Dose of Color. So that's why I wasn't really looking, like, I didn't save as much as I normally would for IMATS, and I didn't really, like, it wasn't really on my radar as much this year. Because I feel like I just go just for Dose of Colors. But now that Dose of Colors is at Ulta, I'm just gonna be making my purchases there. So that's it for this haul. The vlog could have been a little bit better. Well done. But I'm working on it because I do have a couple trips coming up for the summer, and I'm hoping to vlog those. So this is just getting me back into the swing of things, because I did vlog. I vlogged during Ramadan like twice, and I did vlog years ago when I was studying abroad in Dubai, but that's not even on this channel. You know, let me know if you guys want to see me use any of the products I shown. It's mostly brushes, like just two sets of, yeah, I didn't get much of anything really. But I will be reviewing that Jouer foundation soon. And I do have another foundation review coming up as well. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you'll know when I upload. Otherwise, what's the point? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.